Hey everyone! Okay, I want to take a few minutes and go over a couple of the pre-order looms from Cindywood Crafts for February 2017. The first one here is the 3/8 gauge 80 peg narrow scarf loom. The second one is the 1/4 gauge 120 peg narrow scarf loom. Now the point of these looms, you can use just one side of the loom and make just a lot of really awesome stuff, but the point of these looms is to be able to use it double knitting style, or sometimes referred to as rake style, where you actually wrap the yarn around both of these pegs as you go down, and you create one piece of fabric instead of like how you work in the round and you have like two pieces coming down through the middle. You create just one tight knit piece of fabric coming down through the middle. It's a lot of fun to work with, and it's also a lot of fun to do just different designs and color changes while you use this. And the fact that it's narrow and the pegs are closer together, your color changes will be a lot more seamless. So that's going to be very important for your finished projects. I've seen some beautiful scarves double knit come out of some of these looms. So these are, I'm really excited about these looms. Another plus is the 3/8 gauge is perfect to use just one strand of worsted weight yarn. So you don't have to double your yarn. The 1/4 gauge, you can use like a light worsted, like the Caron Simply Soft for this one, or you can use like a size 3 or even a size 2 yarn to create your project with this. In all those, you just need to use one strand. You don't have to use two strands. You don't have to use up as much yarn to get the same results. So these are both wonderful looms, great to add to my collection. Which, to give you a better idea, here is kind of like the size difference between the two. I'll hold both of these up. See how much farther apart the pegs are. Like, I could fit, these pegs will fit inside the other pegs, and there's a little bit of wiggle room. That's how much closer it is. So that does make a big difference in the ending result of your project. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it was informative. These were the pre-order for February 2017, so all the information is in the description below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.